Kenisha from Kenny's Little World.
Kenisha, what you are going to do today?
Today I'm gonna make ice cream banana milkshake. Healthy banana milkshake with ice cream. Yummy,
Oh,
yummy,
wow.
yummy. So the ingredients will be, here are some bananas,
Okay.
then sugar, sweet sugar, and here are nuts. They make us healthy and makes our brain nice and thinkable. Like if we forgot, so we can think.
Yes.
And then dates, ice cream vanilla flavor, or I just didn't like this what chocolate flavor, then it will be like a chocolate flavor, so I just did vanilla. And here is the milk, and it is chill. I didn't add ice cube because it's already chill, and the ice cream is already chill because I don't want to be like coffee.
Yes.
And if you want to put more chill, you can put ice cubes.
Okay.
So let's start. And here is the blender we are gonna put in. So first we are gonna add banana. Bananas I need because it's chopped and there are so many. Okay, here are the bananas. And then what should I add next? Yes, I'm gonna add this dry fruits. And then dates. And then I'm gonna add milk. Ooh.
It's okay.
It's
Careful.
already dripping. My hands are dirty, you know.
Now what?
Milk is all spilled. Okay, so now I will add the ice cream. It's cleaner. Here is the ice cream. I'm just gonna try a little bit. Yummy. And then sugar. I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar because ice cream is already sugared. Is that enough? Also, I'm gonna do this.
You love sugar? You love sweet?
And put the cap on so I cannot
Lid.
spill.
Yes.
Like this.
Wait.
Okay, so now we are just gonna blend it. Let's go in the kitchen. So now I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna taste it. Yummy, 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 yummy. Turn more. This is what you start. Oh, this is just a cake.
Pour some more.
Yes, pour some more. That's enough. How much?
Try.
So Now I'm gonna try it. It's so nice and sweet. And it also tastes like a banana. I love it.
Do you share with me?
Yes. Here you go, guys. Nom 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 nom. Okay, so now don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and keep watching my video. And if you have like new recipes like this milkshake, please write it in the comments below, or just share which milkshake you are gonna make. Bye! And now I'm gonna keep drinking. And it's so yummy.